cancer.
Okay, so imagine it. This was my vantage point yesterday. Yes, when our own Julie Luck rang the bell, signaling that she beat colon cancer. And as I was watching this, I was thinking to myself, what a great celebration this is. But how did this start anyway? Well, the practice started at MD Anderson in Texas back in 1996. In fact, this is the bell, and it's on a plaque with a poem, and the poem reads, "Ring this bell 3 times well. It's told to clearly say, my treatment's done, this course is run, and I am on my way." The author is Irv Lemoyne, and who was he? He was a U.S. Navy Rear Admiral who had head and neck cancer. He had the brass bell installed at the main campus of the Radiation Treatment Center, and now there are bells at all kinds of facilities all over, and they look a little different. I'm going to show you a different one. This one is from Alberta, and it kind of looks like a cowbell to me, but you know what? The meaning is the same. The University of Alberta did a study on the ringing of the bell. One of the patients said, "I think the bell really helped me get through my radiation treatment." And the researchers found that the ritual created a sense of community and gave patients a sense of self-determination as they finished treatment. And then the last statement they put in there was, "We think the ringing of the bell might give patients and their families a small bit of control in an uncontrollable environment."
Is that how you felt?
I think that is absolutely true, because viewers would ask me all the time, because I gave posts, updated posts on my Facebook page about where I was and the battle and the journey. And the common question was, when are you going to ring the bell? Right? Because people want to see it's over, something that signifies the end.
Sure.
I totally believe that. But here's the other thing, because with that poem, it states that it's the end of treatment.
Yes.
And my last infusion, my doctor says, technically you can ring the bell today. And I said to myself, you know what? I don't want to get ahead of myself. I still want to make sure that the blood work is coming back and it confirms that yes, in fact, my cancer is in remission. So I actually waited a few weeks to ring the bell because I just wanted to make sure.
Cautious.
Yes.
And how was it when you finally did it?
Did it feel as good as you thought?
You all were there. I have a tissue in my hand because everyone knows I'm very much a softie, and this is a very emotional thing. And being back with you, my first day back since being on medical leave for 4.5 months, it's great to be back. It's great to feel normal. Again, it's nice to have a normal schedule. Because let me tell you, normal is very underrated, right?
Sure.
Because it's like, you know, people say normal, like, oh, that's kind of boring. You know what, when it comes to your health, boring is actually okay.
Really good, right? Really good.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So like all the symptoms, pretty much, I'm feeling pretty normal. The only thing I still have is some neuropathy, the tingling in my fingers, some numbness as well. But in terms of the nausea and the fatigue and the cold sensitivity,
That's gone.
yes.
Thank
We are
goodness.
so happy
We're
to
so
have you
glad.
back. Good to have you back.